everybody, we've got another short tips and tricks video for you. This one out of Battalion 5, 26s we believe. If that's not right, drop a comment below. Let us know where this comes from, but it's a cool one, and I think you'll enjoy it. We've got Engineer Billings here. He's going to run through what this is and how it works.
All right, guys, we came up with a new way of, or not a new way, somebody in Battalion 5, I don't know who it was exactly that came up with it. You know, traditionally we always have come through the top, and you know how it is whenever you get there, you've got all this tail, and half the time it's really hanging down far. You have to get up here and pull it all out. It just takes a little while. So another way to do it is to start from the bottom, come up. You do have to have a boot strap or some sort of a strap. Basically just do the exact same thing, except for you start from the bottom, pull it, and then you still want to be able to get it out of the way of the cooler of the fan. But whenever you get ready to deploy it, it's usually pretty easy. You just do that, and you're good to go. And you just leave the strap on it.
All right, well, Greg made that look pretty easy, and I think we can all probably relate to the frustration that comes when you're standing on that tailboard and everybody's waiting for you to unthread that stiff rubber jacketed hose from between that hose bed and the handle. This certainly was a lot easier, and I think we're probably going to run our engines this way down here at training. At least we'd be interested to know if you guys do this, how it's working out for you. Is this a good idea? Is it bad? Let us know. And while you're at it, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button so you can get the next video when it comes out. All right, guys, that's it for now. We'll see you on the next one.